After you eat Goddess Fructose, she travels on her path, your blood, into the castle, your cell. She takes the back door, where she eventually feeds the queen, you. Yep, she's VIP, so she gets easy access. No insulin army is needed to help get her into the castle. When God Glucose travels on his journey, however, he needs a bit more help. So Princess Pancreas, she assists by sending her insulin army, and they escort him into the castle through the front gate, where he can then deliver his sugary gifts to the queen, you. The problem comes when the Fat Lord gets involved and has such a strong presence that Princess Pancreas, she just can't keep up. The Fat Lord barricades the front gate, making entry impossible for God Glucose, and the insulin army just cannot penetrate and escort God Glucose into the castle and to the queen. So as a result, too many gods begin to gather outside the castle. So Princess Pancreas is now freaking out, and she works harder and harder, sending more of her insulin army to help God Glucose. But alas, she cannot win, and slowly her and her army are weakened. And the Fat Lord wins. Now, as a result, all hell breaks loose within the castle, as the queen isn't getting the nourishment, you are not getting the nourishment she needs from God Glucose. So she starts to go mad, and the castle is then more easily overthrown or binge prone, right? The beauty is, once the Fat Lord is removed, the queen can be fed and nourished as normal. This is basically how it works.